we're back. We are back. Yes, Felipe, exactly. So I have the AI running on my local machine, and also as I am streaming from my computer, it's almost exploding. So we are back now on our dashboard. So I'll go to my company token in order to see the information of our token, and we have our contract address that is here. And we have the price that is still 0 because we still didn't define it yet. We can see all the documents that we uploaded, the shareholders agreement, the bylaws, uh, and the circulating supply, which is what we chose, 100 million. The total maximum supply, which we chose, which is 500 million. So we wanted to check if we got the token on our if we got the token on our wallet from the initial token supply that we distributed. So I'll go quickly open up the wallet and import the token. Oh, bring it up here. So we need to take contract and let's go back to the Etherscan, open the wallet, import tokens. Okay, 1 second. So we should go back to the here. No, where was it? Yes, here. So we go to the Go Early Etherscan as we deployed in Go Early. And let's look for our wallet, which received. Perfect. So we have our token gen received 100 million new tokenization that happened 7 minutes ago. So perfect. Our initial token supply have been distributed successfully to the shareholders. Great. Thank you, Felipe, for mentioning it. Let's continue now with our token offering. So let's create an STO. Great. So what we need here is choosing first a token offering name. So this is gonna be showing up on your token sales store, which is the web page, let's say, where you can that you can customize and customize with your branding and start like selling the tokens from there. So there can be many offering rounds happening for a company. So we need to define names for each one of the rounds. So let's say this is the seed round for the token gen company. So let's call it seed round offering. And let's go back to the AI and ask it how many tokens should we mint for the seed round for token gen. All right, let's make this one bigger so you can see with me. Perfect. So let's say we are launching a token offering, an offering for token. So as it needs specifications, we're gonna mention what we chose before. So we're gonna say it has a maximum total supply of 500 million, an initial token supply of 100 million, and let's generate 5 numbers for the let's go back to see, yes, for the amount of tokens to mint during the seed STO. I can see on the chat Felipe requested seed STO, so let's go with seed STO, and we change it here to not forget. Great, now we go back to the AI, and Felix, can you please drop it to the chat so that we all choose? Thanks. All right, so we have 20 million, 30 million, 40 million, 50 or 60 million. All right, I can see 2, 4, 3. I can see another 2, another 4, another 3. 2. Okay, 2 is winning now. Let's go with the 2. So we go with 20 million then. As perfect, we go back. Let's say it starts, in order to show how it works, we're gonna say it's starting in, let's say, 5 minutes. So in at 25, and we leave it open until same time next year, 2024. So the difference, like how it is working here. So there will be a smart contract that will be deployed by our protocol that is related to this token offering that we are creating here. Oops, sorry. Let me fix the screen. All right. Is it okay? Perfect. So how it's deploying the smart contract, and once the end date arrives, if the amount raised during the round is greater than the minimum amount that we choose here, then the funds are unlocked for the company that issued the offering. And if not, if it didn't reach it, all the amounts and all the funds gonna be returned to the investors automatically, because like the logic here is that if the company didn't raise the minimum amount needed to do the project, then it's riskier to keep the investment, let's say, which means, for example, yeah, so it's better to give it here, for example, 1 year in order to avoid and give us more time for raising. Yes, so I'll add more time. I'll put it in 30. Yes. So let's go now again to the AI and ask it for the minimum amount to raise and the maximum. Go back here and we do the same thing. So I'm gonna copy the specifications I gave it before. And we also specify we say launching here the seed STO for the token, which has a maximum, and we chose 20 million to be minted tokens to be minted during the seed round, the seed STO. So let's generate 5 variations of the minimum amount to raise, the minimum and maximum amounts to raise during the seed STO. Alright, so here are the variations. Please drop on the chat which one you prefer. Thank you, Felix. So we have between 10 and 20, from between 15, 25, 20, 30, 25, 35, 30, 40. I can see 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3. Okay, so let's go with 3 then, which means 20, 30. So let's put 20 million here and 30. Perfect. So now next step is to choose in the seed round what are, let's say, the investment methods that we accept. So for example, we can accept now USDC in the testnet because you need to upload, but in production we're gonna have more tokens there. Okay, yeah, the screen, great. All right, so let's say here in the staging environment we have, is the screen okay? Perfect. So we can see now we only accept like USDC in the staging, and automatically the token price has been calculated from the amount of tokens to be minted and the maximum amount to raise. So it gave us 1.5 USD, which is the price of the TKN token during the seed round. So here we need to choose the limitations that we gonna, or that we want to put for our investors. If we want to put a minimum investment amount, a maximum investment amount. So let's go ask again the Brickken AI to give us. So we're gonna take the same specifications and add the information. We say the minimum amount token gen is raising between 20 million and 30 million USD. and the token price during the seed STO is 1.5 USD. So let's generate 5 variations. Let's generate 5 variations for the minimum and maximum investment amounts during the seed STO. Perfect, so it's generated. So drop in the chat the number you choose, and we're gonna go for the same for minimum and maximum. So we have a minimum of 5, 10, 25, 50, 100. All right, let's make it easier. Let's go for the minimum first. Type from 1 to 5. Choose the number you prefer. 7.5 USD, 15 USD, 37 USD, 75 USD, or 150 USD. All right, I can see minimum 25, maximum 1000. I can see minimum 150. All right, let's go for a minimum of 150 then. Both chose number 5. Okay, so let's go. And please drop the maximum that you prefer so that we do it. So we go for minimum of 150. Make sure that it's great. The maximum is greater than 150 USD. So it's only between 2 and 5 now. Go ahead for the maximum. So we have 750, 1500, 7500, or 75k. I can see 5000, number 4. All right, let's go for 7500, which is number 4. 7, perfect. All right, so we finished the token offering information. Before moving forward, as I refreshed the page, I will have to reconnect my wallet in order to launch the factory for the deployment. So I'll connect it and click on finish to go for it. Okay, we surpassed it. Wrong estimation. So let's go for 34. Finish. And are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Again, the MetaMask, we accept and approve, confirm. We got the transaction hash already. Now it's creating the smart contract, it's deploying the smart contract with the information that we gave it. Let's wait for it to finish. Perfect. And we have our token offering, our seed STO that is live already. Congratulations to everyone. We created together the first AI based, let's say, token and token offering. So let's move now to the next steps. Continue. So we landed in the token store, as you can see. We have our escrow address, which is the offering smart contract address where it is deployed. We have already the start date and date, the soft cap, which is the minimum amount to raise that we defined, the hard cap, which is the maximum amount to raise, which we just chose earlier. So first step, right after deploying the smart contract for the STO, you should go to the token store